Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a Kylie Jenner inspired makeup tutorial. I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm just going to use this flat eyeshadow brush to apply the concealer on the corners of my eyes, both on the top lid and the bottom lid. Now I'm going to go in with my Ooh La La Colorpop eyeshadow palette into this very bright pink. And I'm just gonna pack on that bright pink eyeshadow where I put the concealer. Now I'm just going to do the same thing for the other side. Now I'm going to apply these Cate lashes I got from Shopmissa with this lash adhesive. And just take your time applying the lashes with some tweezers. And I did go off camera and apply some eyeliner. Now I'm just going to do the same thing for the other side. Now I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown stick foundation with this flat brush. And I'm going to apply the foundation in downward strokes on my face. Now I'm going to use this brush to blend out my foundation. Be sure to be gentle if you're using this kind of brush so that you don't end up exfoliating your face. Now I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm going to apply some right under my eyes in order to cover up any dark circles. I'm gonna use this little sponge to blend out my concealer. Now I'm going to use my Airspun setting powder to set my concealer. And you want to just let the setting powder sit on your face for a minute or two, and then remove any excess with a brush. Now I'm going to use this contour kit, and I'm going to use that light brown color, and I'm going to apply it with a fluffy brush right to the middle of my cheek and then around my forehead. And this is a good way to add color back into your face. Now I'm just going to blend that out with the other side of the brush. Now I'm going to use this Wet n Wild highlighter, and I'm going to apply it right above the apples of my cheek. And on my nose, my Cupid's bow, and my chin. Now I'm going to use my chubby stick from Clinique as blush. I'm just going to apply that on the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to use a little sponge to blend that out. Now I'm going to use this light pink lipstick. All the details for these products will be in the description box. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.